Welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is create a timeline view for projects in Google Sheets.
Google added a new feature to users who have a business account in Sheets. If you frequently keep track of project tasks in Sheets, you can now create a quick visual chart called Timeline View. The timeline displays a calendar view of your project tasks. Open up your project tracker in Google Sheets, or you can create a simple one like I have here. To get the timeline view, you must have a minimum of 3 columns: task name, a start date, and an end date. To create the timeline view chart, highlight the data that you want included in the chart. Click the Insert command, select Timeline View. Now, since the data range has already been selected, click OK. The timeline opens in a separate tab. You can even assign colors to certain groups that make the task more distinguishable. For instance, on January 14th, I know that both of these equipment releases are going to one agency. I can assign that agency a color by clicking on one of the dates. The card detail window pops up on the side, and I select the card color. I can do this for the rest of the agencies. There's my timeline view. And if I look at my assignment sheet, each agency has been assigned its own color. If you use Google Sheets to track projects, go ahead and impress your boss and colleagues by using this feature at your next reporting session. They will think you worked hours to get that view. Remember, work smarter, not harder.
Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.